Hotel check-in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Plaza Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello. I have a reservation. My name is Tom Wilson.
Of course. Let me check that for you. Can you spell your last name, please?
Wilson.
Perfect. Yes, I can see your reservation, Mr. Wilson. You have a standard room for 3 nights.
Yes, that's right.
Can I see your passport or ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. And can I take a credit card for the deposit?
Of course. Here is my card.
Great. Thank you. Everything looks good.
What floor is my room on?
Your room is on the 5th floor, room number 512.
Is it a quiet room?
Yes, it faces the garden, so it is very quiet.
That's great. Does the room have a city view?
No, it faces the garden, but it is very peaceful. Would you like a different room?
No, that sounds perfect. Thank you.
Here is your key card, Mr. Wilson. This opens your room and the elevator.
How does it work?
Just hold it near the door. The light turns green and the door opens.
Oh, that's easy. What if it stops working?
Just come to the reception desk. We will give you a new one right away.
Good to know. Thank you.
Let me tell you about our hotel facilities. Do you have any questions?
Yes. What is the Wi-Fi password?
The Wi-Fi name is Grand Plaza, and the password is Hotel 2024. It is free for all guests.
Perfect. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 in the morning to 10:30. It is on the 2nd floor.
Is it included in my reservation?
Yes, breakfast is included. Enjoy.
Wonderful. Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, the pool is on the rooftop. It is open from 8 in the morning to 9 at night.
What about a gym?
The gym is on the 3rd floor. It is open 24 hours a day.
Excellent. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 o'clock noon. If you need a late checkout, please call the reception.
Can I get a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
Of course. What time would you like?
7:30, please.
Done. Is there anything else? We also have room service and housekeeping available.
What is room service?
You can order food and drinks to your room. The menu is on the desk in your room.
And housekeeping?
Housekeeping cleans your room every day, usually in the morning. If you need towels or extra pillows, just call us.
That is very helpful. Thank you so much, Sarah.
You are welcome, Mr. Wilson. Enjoy your stay at the Grand Plaza Hotel.
Thank you. I am sure I will.